Okay, in today's class, we want to solve indicial equation using the laws of indices, and we have these questions that we want to solve. Okay, so we are going to start by solving number 1. 4 raised to power 3x is equal to 16 raised to power x plus 1. Now, you have to understand that in indices, since we are dealing with equation, we have to have the same base on both sides. The essence of doing that is so that we can easily cancel out, and when we cancel, we'll be able to solve our equation and get our answers. As you can see, we are told to solve for the value of x in the following. So let's get down to business. So in the question number 1, we have that 4 raised to power 3x is equal to 16 raised to power x plus 1. Now if I look at it, I know that 4 can go in 16. Now when I mean go, it does not mean divide. I mean that I can find a power of 4 in 16. That means 16 is the same thing as 4 raised to power 2. Remember I said we must have the same base on both sides. It must be of the same number. So this is 4 raised to power 3x equal to 16 is the same thing as 4 raised to power 2. So I still have x plus 1. So I open my bracket and write my x plus 1. So you can see I have 4 here, I have 4 here. Then I can cancel out. It makes my work easy. So this becomes 3x is equal to, I have 2 open bracket x plus 1. Are you getting the point now? So this becomes 3x is equal to 2x plus 2. Are you seeing it? Then we collect like terms. Collecting like terms means the ones that has variables should be on one side and the one with number should be on the other side. So if I collect like terms, this one I'll bring it here. So this will become 3x. When 2x crosses over the equal to, it becomes minus 2x equal to 2. Then 3x minus 2x gives me what? X. So x is equal to 2. So we have found the value of x in the first question, and x is equal to 2. So let's move on to the second one. We have the second one. We have that 2 raised to power 5x divided by 2 raised to power x is equals to 5th root of 2 raised to power 10. Now this question, you can see that on both sides we have base 2. So, but on the left hand side we have 2 of the bases. Now in our law of indices, when you have more than one base on one side and they are both the same, just take one of it. Then this becomes 5x. Then divide in indices means what? Minus. So minus the power here, which is x, is equal to. Now remember I told you that for you to have your root, that means this 5 is in the denominator. So to rewrite this is the same thing as saying 2 raised to power 10 divided by 5, because it's the denominator that gave you the root. Right, the same becomes the power. So this is 2 raised to power 5x minus x, which gives us 4x equal to 2 raised to power. So if we cancel 5, we cancel 5 to give us 1. Then 5 in 10, which gives us 2. So this is 2 raised to power 2. Are we getting the point? So you can see that we have the same base. So we can cancel. 2 cancels 2. Then we have 4x is equal to 2. Now we are looking for the value of x, but 4 is obstructing it, so we remove whatever we have there by dividing both sides by that number. So 4 we cancel 4, and you can see that our x is now alone. So this is x is equal to 2 into 1, 2 in 4, 2. So our x is 1 over 2. So our x is 1 over 2 in that equation. So we move on to the third question, which is 16 times 2 raised to power x plus 1 is equals to 4 raised to power x times 8 open bracket 1 minus x. Now like I said before, all the numbers that we should have should be of the same base, and now the lowest base we have here is 2. So we should break all these numbers to have a base of 2. Now how many 2's can we get in 16? That means how many times can 2 divide 16, and that will be 4 times. So 16 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 4. times 2 raised by x plus 1 is equal to, how many times can 2 go in 4, which is 2. So this is 2 raised by 2x times the same thing 8, 2 raised by 3, open bracket 1 minus x. You see that all our base now are the same, but we have multiples of base, so we have to bring them together. On the left hand side, we can collect one of the base, then our power here is 4. Times means what? Plus what? X plus 1 equal to, we do the same thing on our right. We take one base, then this will become 2x. Our times means what? Plus 3 open bracket 1 minus x. So you can cancel out because they are the same base. So we have 4 plus x plus 1 equal to 2x plus 3 open bracket 1 minus x. So numbers add to numbers, not to the letter. Letter stands on its own. So 4 plus 1 is what? 5. So I can write 5 plus x, or x plus 5, they are both the same. Then 2x plus, I open my bracket with the number in front, so this is 3 times 1, which is 3. Then 3 times minus x, which is minus 3x. Are we getting it? So this is 5 plus x is equal to 2x minus 3x, which will give us minus x plus 3. So you can see that we have x here, we have x here. So we collect like terms. So I want to bring this x to this side. So this one remains where it is. Then once I bring this one here, it becomes plus x equal to, this one remains in the position which is 3. Then I bring this 5 over to this place. It becomes minus 5. So this becomes 2x is equals to minus 2. So you can see 2 is here. I need to remove this 2. This becomes over 2 over 2. So 2 cancel 2, and we have x is equal to 2 cancel 2, which is what? Minus 1. So I hope the solving is very understandable and clear. So see you in our next class.